Hey there, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to speak English like a pro in just 3 simple steps. Whether you're a beginner looking to improve your skills or an advanced learner aiming for fluency, you'll find these steps invaluable. So, let's get started. Before we dive into the steps, let's talk about why speaking English like a pro is important. When you speak English confidently and effectively, it opens up a world of opportunities for you. It can enhance your career prospects, allow you to connect with people from different cultures, and boost your overall confidence. So, let's begin with the first step. Step 1. Build a strong foundation. Learn the basics. Start by learning the essential grammar rules and vocabulary. Focus on understanding sentence structure, verb tenses, and common phrases. Practice using them in sentences and conversations. Develop listening skills. Listen to English audio, podcasts, songs, or watch movies and TV shows in English. Pay attention to pronunciation, intonation, and word usage. Mimic native speakers to improve your own speaking skills. Speak from day one. Don't be afraid to start speaking English from day one. Engage in conversations with language partners, join language exchange groups or forums, or find a tutor to practice speaking regularly. Step 2. Expand vocabulary and fluency. Read extensively. Read books, articles, newspapers, and online content in English. This will expose you to a wide range of vocabulary and help you understand how words are used in context. Use flashcards or word lists. Create flashcards or word lists to learn new words and review them regularly. Practice using these words in sentences to reinforce your understanding. Think in English. Try to think in English as much as possible. When you encounter a new word or phrase, think of ways to use it in your own thoughts or sentences. This will help you internalize the language and improve your fluency. Step 3. Practice speaking fluently. Talk to native speakers. Find opportunities to converse with native English speakers. This can be through language exchange programs, online platforms, or in-person conversations. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. It's an essential part of the learning process. Record and listen to yourself. Record your speaking practice sessions and listen to them. Pay attention to areas where you can improve, such as pronunciation, intonation, or grammar. Keep refining your skills based on self-evaluation. Engage in role plays or simulations. Practice real-life scenarios, such as job interviews, making presentations, or ordering food in English. This will help you feel more confident and prepared in real-life situations. Now, let's look at some examples to understand these steps better. Example 1. Question: Can I have a coffee, please? Response: Sure, I'll make a coffee for you. Would you like it hot or iced? Example 2. Question: What did you do last weekend? Response: Last weekend, I went hiking with my friends. We explored a beautiful trail in the mountains and enjoyed the breathtaking views. Example 3. Question: How do you feel about public speaking? Response: Personally, I used to feel nervous about public speaking, but with practice and preparation, I've become more confident. It's a skill that can be developed over time. Remember, speaking English like a pro takes time and consistent effort. Embrace these 3 steps, practice regularly, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. The more you practice, the more confident and fluent you will become. That wraps up our video on how to speak English like a pro in 3 simple steps. We hope you found these tips helpful and motivating. Remember, practice is key, so keep practicing, seek opportunities to speak English, and never stop learning. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more language learning tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and happy language learning!